Just got a tweet from Paytm Labs that my event is happening tonight. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we are currently at 805 subscribers. We're so close to hitting that. It's 1,000! Wow. My most recent video got 902 views. It's probably the most I got in under 2 days. That's amazing. So thank you for that. Give yourself a pat on the back. I'm gonna go and get a haircut in the afternoon because I'm home all day. I took a day off from work. Stay cool, stay calm, not get distracted, and just, you know, do great on my speech tonight. It's my first time ever. Now go flex, 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 flex. Yeah! Okay, so I don't think we're going to be late. She's currently driving. This is Bella, by the way. And she's coming to the event. And she's a designer. We're in Mississauga, gonna hop in the highway, as you can see. So the highway is that side. It's gonna take us 57 minutes because it's currently the rush hour. It's 4:27 p.m. right now. When I get to downtown, and yeah, I should be on time. The whole event was supposed to happen from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. But good news is they cut it down to like 7:30, so I don't have to talk for that long. I have no idea how many people are coming. We're gonna die in 3, 2, 1. We're dead. So this is what I decided to go with. I found these old jeans that finally fits, so I'm grateful of that. I got a jean jacket. I was hoping to go to my go-to barbershop, but both of the guys weren't available, so I went somewhere new. Hopefully this haircut is nice. This is my first time you saw me doing this, right? Yeah, you're like, whoa, this is what happens behind the scene. Yeah, so my haircut, I think it's good.
Just a couple, missed a couple of gray hairs.
I know, I have gray hairs now.
It means you're smart.
No, it's not. It means I'm getting old so fast. Every time I have to go downtown, I go to right there because that's 427. Just keep everybody here. You're not supposed to.
Yeah.
I hope the cops are not watching.
Oh, hey, let's put it on TV. Let's put it on your vlog while I break the law.
What the hell? Go, 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 go. Watch out for that.
Yeah, I see. What?
That's it. Now we go this way. We skipped all those things.
How many people did we skip?
Look, we probably skipped like at least 100 cars. Oh my God! Look at this accident. What floor is it? Oh, hey man.
So I'm just heading out, but my colleagues are upstairs.
Okay. What floor is it?
Second floor.
Second floor?
It's just one door.
One door, yeah?
So just turn to the left, you'll see.
Okay, cool.
I was told there was only like 15 to 30 people coming.
30 people coming? Floor. We're gonna see Holly. Okay, we're finally going in. This is it. Oh shit. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you guys?
Good, good.
Sorry, struggling there. But anyway.
Are you literally filming right now?
I have to.
Oh my god. I'm gonna take over your like YouTube channel.
Hey, Jenna, what's going on?
Hey, too close.
Oh, hey guys.
Vlog in the car too.
Hi. Hey man, how's it going? I'm Fahim.
Rohit, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
How are you? She is.
This place looks quite nice, man.
God. Oh, look at that.
Bro, when you hit 800 subscribers, you gotta go big.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you're not even at microphone.
I'm not.
You're at like 7 songs.
Yeah, because I gave away the free UI UX books. I just went back. Boom.
That you said that you purchased, but you didn't. He's like, just so you know.
Okay, why? Now I have to edit this part out. You're so bad. No, I did though. One of them I
They're
did.
not pirated. Like, and I'm like, okay, yeah.
And you know how many thank yous I got? I saved lives. I saved knowledge. Huh? Yeah, of course. I think 2 guys said like, do you have rights to this?
Oh,
And I didn't even reply back. Jenna, how's it going? Holly, how's it going?
It's good.
Oh, yes! Best friends forever. Yo, how come you didn't upload a video
I
yet?
haven't. I don't have time. I'm telling you.
Yo.
No, I'm not. No.
Yo, give a shout out to your channel right now.
Yo, follow Hollywood Design.
5MD. Sitting. No, seriously.
Hollywood Design. Follow Hollywood Design.
What's it about?
Principal, which you wouldn't know about because it's a Mac program. But
So go to her channel on the YouTube, write Fahim MD, and you'll see it.
Nice, yeah.
Now I would like to hand over it to Fahim.
Guys, my name is Fahim, MD, like she said. I'm a product designer. I specialize in UI UX. I've been doing this for more than 15 years. I love what I do. And today I'm going to tell you a dark story about me. And it's my first time presenting, so please go easy on me and do that fake smile and stuff so I can feel better. Holly, you were going to ask something?
Yeah, I'm just curious on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
What tools do you typically use?
You know all my answers, Holly. You know
all.
all my answers. So you ask me again?
So on a day-to-day basis as a designer, what tools do you typically use?
I use XD, that's number one. I use competitive research. I use InVision for my prototypes. Sorry. Communication, like I communicate with my team, my boss, and figure out what the problem is. And I just recently started using Adobe Analytics because RedTag.ca they bought it. Before that, it was Google Analytics and Hotjar, Hotjar is the easiest tool to use because you can understand per video where your users are and what they're using, what they think is a clickable link and it's not. And yeah, I think that's it.
You used Zeppelin?
Yeah, I did. I did for one specific project at the company. And when I was working closely with this developer, I used Zeppelin. Yeah. And I think then I was designing it on Photoshop. Yeah. It didn't do much.
It just didn't do
the colors, image sizes, things like that. Yeah, but I still had to create a document right after that.
Yeah.
So when the developer coded the website, I had to create a document on top of it to make sure it was like 95% than the design. Yeah.
What's the toughest part of your job?
Man, ask me. Sorry, you go on.
What's the toughest part of your job?
Communication. It's very hard. It's very, very, very hard. Like a guy could be sitting behind you and he's the one who's quoting your project, but he will just won't listen. So therefore, you have to be extremely nice and try to speak their language. Maybe they're having an off day. Maybe, before leaving his house, something happened. Whatever it may be, he or she might take that out on you. So therefore, communication is very important. Like you really have to come up nice and you don't want to stab the person at the back. So you can be like, hey buddy, I said green buttons, why'd you put purple? Oh, okay. Those things happen a lot. If you're a designer and you haven't worked with a team, those are very, very common. So you can ask me, this is good. This is actually good for these guys, yeah.
What do you use on user testing?
For user testing, I just use analytics. I don't use any one-on-one user testing. I wish I did. I have now worked for a company where we hire 10 different people, different age, different sex, and things like that to do user testings. There's one company I've faced, I think it's called Point Click Care. They hire UI and UX totally different. Point Click Care.
Point Click Care?
Yeah. It's in Mississauga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Check it out.
And my business partner, where he works, Click Health, they're also separate. Because they have the money for it. At the end of the day, can we afford to have them, right?
Right.
Yeah.
She left us to come here.
I know, we're better, so.
Okay, I think the event went good. My speech, I personally think was all right, but a lot of people said it was great. I didn't expect people to actually come to my event. But yeah, I'm extremely happy that happened, and we're gonna go out to eat. Whoa, lighting is crazy here. Okay, as you guys can see, I finally got home. I'm going to relax now, and I can talk to you guys properly. That's why I'm doing this part here. It seems that people were interested. I got a couple of people sending me LinkedIn requests, so that was great. My friends were there. A lot of great questions were asked. The time when people were asking questions is when I started to feel comfortable because I was engaging a lot more with the audience, so that was great. The office space was lit, location was lit, man. I loved it. I'm looking forward to do more of this speech at different companies and different events, obviously. Therefore, I have a lot of work to do because I want to make them better and better and better. And my goal is to do a speech in TED Talk about design and my journey. So yes, if you have not, please subscribe, like this video, and click on the bell notification icon. Until then, I'll see you guys in another day. Peace out.
The way you treat your brother, I can tell. You never felt the feelings that I felt. Girl, you had me screaming out for help. Well, things change, you had me feeling distant. I thought I knew myself up until this day. I finally found myself, so now you miss me. Girl, there ain't no way to fix it. She said, don't watch me, I get tipsy. I'm posted till I lip sync. Next morning, it be fiction.